Hi, my name is Alvaro. I'm from Colombia. I was from the first batch in 21. I have been working in studios like Bardel Entertainment and Stellar. I also have been working as a concept artist for studios like NGX. Right now, I'm working as a teacher assistant here in KPU and CE. I have advanced modeling, and I also have 3D visual story. We are doing the whole pre-production pipeline, since script, storyboarding, animatic, and then previs. In the 3D modeler class, what we do is the teacher given an assignment, and my responsibility is like solving questions, solve problems. Sometimes there are different ways to build something, so I try to show them another way, probably they can understand that. My experience with instructors are amazing, so it's also inspiring for me, even as a TA and professional artist.